Take this trim piece off, use some trim tools, just get underneath here and under here. Might have to use a couple trim tools. And just pry it up. Clips in underneath. There's a couple clips there. You disconnect the connector here. Just push on this tab. Slide it up. So you just push on that, slide it out. Disconnect this connector as well. Just push down on the tab, slide it out. Just going to put a little bit of pressure with my fingers on this side and take a straight blade screwdriver and just gently pop these out. There's some little tabs in there, and then same on the other side. Just like that. And once they're all popped, slide it out. Take the new switch. You want to line it up the same way it came out. And just lock it down into place. Now you can plug the connectors back in. And the connector for the switch. Lock it down. That's good. Now line up the bezel and just lock it down.